Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. It's me, Wilbur Wizard. How many Wooblets do I have today? I hope I have a couple. I get awful lonely, you know, when I do these things. And today, we're unboxing Stichfix. Oh my! What are you doing here? Shoo! Shoo! Out! Stichfix, which is clothing and accessories for the dapper wizard in you. Let's see what we got. If I can open the dang box. And out to the side here, we have a pair of pants by Matt. These are, I like that brand actually. I'm glad they sent another one. And a shirt, bunch of shirts actually, but they're really nice. And they're long sleeve now because the weather is getting chilly outside. Oh, this is a nice button down. Very light. Blue, I think go good on me. Is there something in my sleeves? Nothing in my sleeves. This is a really nice shirt. I think it's one of my favorites out of the whole box. And one more shirt, and that's what we got. I think it was a very nice package. I don't think I'll be returning any of it. And I hope you guys have a great afternoon. And I will be trying them on to see how they look on me.
Hello, Wooblets. I'm back from changing. How do you like my new outfit?
These are Mabbies. They are, I don't want to say khaki because they're not. They're kind of like a light green. This is, I don't remember the shirt tag. Oh, Mad Ryer or something. Let me get the tag. Hawkeye. It is a Hawkeye made 95% cotton and 5% cashmere. It's a very comfy shirt. I like the, what do you call that, herringbone design. Now I'm going to try the next shirt on. This is the same pants I wore before because I got one pair of pants. This is an Algo long sleeved shirt. It's dark blue. I like it. It's very warm and it's comfortable and it fits me. I'm gonna go for my other shirt. This shirt, which I really like because it's thin and I like the color blue on it, is a Grayers shirt. It is a black floral on blue and it's actually exclusively made or designed for Stichfix. One more shirt. This shirt, which is the last shirt out of my Stichfix box, is a flag anthem. And it's a little tight, but because I've been rotund for a couple of days, but it still fits a little bit. I like the design, and it's not thick, meaning it's not heavy on me. I can dress and look sharp and not sweat like a pig. Thanks for watching. Comment down below and smash that like button hard. Smash it hard. And go check out Caleb Crouch and Eli of Doom on their respective channels and do the same. Thank you and good day.